EcoTank ET-2850 EPSON. The power cable.
So unbox everything including the packages, and now we remove all the protective covers and materials on the printer. Also, there's a protective cover in the inside that you have to take off. Be careful with it also. Now step 2, connect the power cord back to the printer. Make sure you don't connect the printer to your computer yet. Next part is to scan the QR code to go to the app to choose your setup method, but we're gonna skip that and fill the ink tanks. First of all, open the tank and open one of the slots. We're gonna do the black one first. Each of them come in caps, and you gotta untwist it to the right. It won't spill until you put it in here, so wait up and let go. You have to wait until it reaches this line over here. It'll take about a couple more seconds. As it has reached the desired amount, take it out slowly. Cap the bottle. Make sure it's sealed tight, and put the switch down. Next, we'll go on to yellow. Now, put the sign switch down. Make sure it's all down for safety, and put the ink tank down. Next step is to lift up the control panel and then turn it on. Next step is to select your language, click OK. OK. Now we use the QR code to go to the app, and we'll come back in a bit. After you turn on your printer, it asks you for your language. Easy enough. Fill your language out. Then a QR code will pop out, and you have to use that QR code to download the app. Then fill out the app, and when it says something about needing to be supported, click yes, and click your model of desired. if it's nearby or not, and it has to be connected. After that, it's easy enough. It'll give you instructions on how to do the procedure without the manual and stuff. And it may take a long time, as it says here. It will take about 10 minutes to complete. Now it's installing, and we'll wait until this reaches 100%. Now installation is complete. Press OK for done. Done. Then mode. Now on the phone we can connect it. On the phone we can connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. Press OK. Yes. Now we'll set up the Wi-Fi. You could either do Wi-Fi recommended or direct Wi-Fi. We're gonna do Wi-Fi recommended. Click OK.